Okay, so this video is on diode mode. Already on diode mode, that's the diode symbol. So diodes are in things like bridge rectifiers and motorcycle rectifiers, mainly rectifying equipment, and they can be used to block voltages or to set voltages, but they're easy to test. They should have electric flow one way, 0.6 volts. You turn it the other way and it's blocking. If it was short circuited, it'll allow electric both ways. I'll just do another one. Electric flows one way but not the other. You can use it to test transistors as well. I usually grab one leg and then test the other two. So I've got electric flow there and nothing there. If you were clever, you'd know what sort of transistor this is, but I have to read the spec sheets. So nothing either way. We flip it round, you get a reading one way. So I'll just do the same on this one. See if it's the same. These are the same transistors, so it should read the same. So nothing, nothing. So I'm expecting one leg to have an electrical flow on this. So yeah, so exactly the same readings as the last one. Like I say, you can test transistors, diodes, Zener diodes. A Zener diode will allow electric one way and it will allow electric the other way when it meets a certain threshold, like say 5 volts. So they're useful as well. So it's a good test and it's a good option to have on your multimeter. You will use that a lot, and especially in electronics.